In this video, we will try to understand the concept of perimeter of a figure. Here we have this plus-shaped figure and we just take this point here and mark it as A. And starting from A, we keep traveling. First this length here and then this length and then all the way to this length. And we keep doing this along all the sides until we reach back to our point A again. This entire length that we just travelled is actually going to be the perimeter of this plus-shaped figure. So we can define the perimeter as the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go around the figure once. This means that if we had to start from point A, and let's mark this as point B, and if we had just stopped here, that wouldn't define it to be the perimeter of this figure. That means we have to start from this point and come back to the same point again to ensure that it actually forms a closed figure. And we have to go around the figure once. So if we start from A and we travel around twice, then it would be twice the length of the perimeter of this figure. Now, let's take this figure again and just start assigning values to these lengths. So let's mark it as 1, 1, 1 and 1. Mark these as 3 units and these as 5 units. So, what would be our perimeter of this plus-shaped figure? We will start from A and we can say our first value here is 1. Then we have 3, then 5, then this 1 and this 5. Then we get to the 3 plus 1, then again plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5, this 5 here, and the last is 3, which is equal to 36. So 36 units is the perimeter of this plus-shaped figure. So if you want to think of an example where you use perimeter in real life, there are farmers who have their own farms, and if they want a fencing around the entire boundary of the farm, they would have to calculate the length of the wire that they would need for the fencing. Can you suggest what they can do to know that length? Well, they could estimate that by calculating the perimeter of their field.